Croatia, known as a jewel in the Adriatic Sea. Crystal clear water, spectacular beaches, countless of islands with beautiful small villages, impressive historic cities and incredible national parks. So we expected a little bit of this road trip, but we couldn't actually imagine that we're gonna create so many amazing memories in such a short period of time.
Little by little you wear me down.
Good morning. We just left our apartment in Split and now are on the way to the car to get to Krka Waterfalls. Split was pretty cool. It maybe would be nice to have 1 or 2 more days to explore the city around the center, because the city center is pretty touristy but really beautiful and a lot of history. But now let's go to the Krka Waterfalls. Looking forward to that. So we arrived at the Krka Waterfalls, and yeah, it's an amazing area with a lot of wildlife. You know, some kind of little harbor, I guess. In the back here, you can see that waterfall. It's really beautiful. Now we're gonna make a small hike. Yeah. Actually came for the waterfalls, but there's so many wildlife, so many birds, and it's so calm. It's pure nature here. It's really enjoyable and a great place for some small hikes and just enjoy nature. So it's really cool.
So we are on the way to our apartment next to the Plitvice lakes. Unfortunately, it will be our final stop. We spent the night here tonight, and tomorrow morning we're going to hike to the lakes, check out the surrounding, the nature. We will see what the day will bring us.
So let's check out our room for tonight. That looks nice, actually. Do you like it, Chili? Is this room okay for you? Ooh. Do you like the room?
Yes, it's really nice.
That's really nice. Maybe we can make fire. Yeah, we shouldn't do that.
Good morning. It's another beautiful morning and it's a special day. It's Rich's birthday. So we went out for dinner last night, had some glasses of wine, actually a lot of wine. And we decided to stay another night because this area looks really nice. So we don't have to drive back tonight. We are staying until tomorrow and now we go and check out the lakes.
11.
Sneaker ticket.
Where are we going?
Plitvice Cesera. I'm so sorry, I don't know. I'm pronouncing it all the time completely wrong, so I don't want to offend anybody. So we just entered the national park and we're pretty excited because every now and then we see through the forest the amazing blue water of the lakes, and yeah, let's go down there and check it out. It's actually, it's just amazing. So, such a deep cyan, I don't know, what do you think?
Yeah, it's beautiful. This color is amazing. It's really incredible.
Yeah, and we are just, I think, 5 minutes down here, and there's so many spots to take photos and film and just sit and watch this beautiful, beautiful lake. So the boat tour was pretty amazing. The water is so calm and this color is just amazing, really. But there are a lot of people, even though it's not main season anymore, and it's pretty difficult to get good shots and photos, but it's amazing here. we made it half through the park, and now we have to take the bus to the next station, where we have another little tour planned. And yeah, it's pretty nice so far, or?
Yes, it's really amazing. The nature it's stunning everywhere you look. So many waterfalls, and the water is bluish, greenish, bright, and has all colors. We enjoy it.
Will take us a few minutes here. So we just hopped out of the bus and now are going to the biggest waterfall around here, which we are really excited. The light is gonna be better now because it's evening, it's around 4 p.m. Maybe it's not such a harsh light we had the whole day, but the blue was perfect of the lakes, and now hopefully we get some nice pictures and some nice shots of the big waterfall here. Okay, we're pretty near the waterfall now, and this area down here looks amazing. I think it's so cool, this turquoise water and all the plants, this way through there. It's really cool here. That was the big waterfall. Actually, we did expect a little bit more, but of course it rained, I think, around here for a long time, and so there was not too much water. But it's even though pretty impressive, and yeah, we'll definitely come back for that.